In this video, we are going to discuss about route redistribution. So what is route redistribution? So simply put that, route redistribution is the process of distributing the routes learned from one source to another. That means when you learn from one source or another source about the routes, we redistribute or distribute to the other one. So this is useful when networks are expanding and are merging or in phase of transition. That means that so these networks, when they are expanding or when the phase of a transition or the networks are getting merged, so these routes are redistributed. And for example, assume RIP is being used, but only for hop count of 15 is the maximum for RIP. But for more than the 15, so what you will do? You have to use a different protocol and have an integration between the RIP and the other protocol here. So in this situation, you will need to switch to another routing protocol, as I said. So it might be other routing protocol including with RIP. So while switching two protocols would not coexist in the routing table. That means you see that the network while maintaining complete reachability. So while you use a routing protocol and an RIP, that the coexistence of the reachability to one another should be established very strongly here. So redistribution of routes from RIP to new protocol should be established very reachable, and also vice versa can achieve this by this routes. So how the route is transferred from one protocol to other protocol. So also you can see here, you take router A, router B and router C as an example, and here you see the 1.0 and 2.0 for RIP, and for EIGRP is 3.0 and 4.0. So router A, router B and router C. So this is the the system number as 10 here. So the EIGRP and RIP, the routes are redistributed to one another and vice versa. So few points to remember here. So what are the few points while the routes are distributed to one another or when it learned from one source to another source? The routing protocol receiving the redistributed routes. So when the redistributed routes, which is the routing protocol is doing, so will mark them as external. So they mark apart from its own internal routes. That means if you take an EIGRP, when the internal routes which are EIGRP routes are internal and the other routes or other routing protocols routes are called external. The external routes are less preferred. So they are less preferred when you compare with the internal routes, which is the own protocol routes. The routes can only be redistributed at routers, then run both the routing protocols. So this redistribution of the routes is done at routers, so that its own interface comes in, and from the own interface the route is redistributed here. And you see here, static and connected routers can also be redistributed. So the static connections can also be redistributed, and only routes present in routing tables are redistributed. So how and when the redistribution occurs? So the only routes present in routing tables are frequently redistributed here. For example, if a static route points to an unknown source or destination, you see the unknown next hop, it will not be present in routing table. That means the unknown next hop, that is the hop which is not known, so it will not be present in the routing table because it is a static route point and that cannot be redistributed here. And when redistributing routes, you have to ensure metrics are maintained and measured clearly, and also about the asynchronous system number should be maintained here. So autonomous system number and the administrative distance also is considered here. For example, you take EIGRP metrics can be large number while compared with RIP, because RIP has a hop count of only 15 maximum, which cannot exceed that. So EIGRP can be large numbers while any routes redistributed, the metrics above 15 is considered invalid in RIP. That means the metric above 15, the hop count above 15 for RIP is maximum and you can't exceed that, so that EIGRP can collaborate with RIP and it can redistribute the routes. So this is about the route redistribution concept.